Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing an issue where the Snapchats you're sending keep saying pending. So whether it looks something like this or it looks something like whatever any of these options are. So if you look up pending on Snapchat, this is pretty much what it looks like. Now, if you're experiencing this, what this pretty much means is that the person that you're sending that Snapchat to either hasn't added you back and or they have you blocked. Now, most likely they haven't added you back, and that's pretty much what a pending Snapchat is. So now that you know that, really the only way to go ahead and fix this is to actually make sure that the person that you added is adding you back. So whatever you have to do, if you have to talk to that person in real life or whatever the case is, if that person adds you back, that is pretty much the only way to fix this. Now, there are some other ways to go ahead and have them look at your Snapchat anyways, if they even if they didn't add you back, and that's by having them set up a public Snapchat account. So really there's nothing you can do personally to pretty much do that. The only way to pretty much fix that and to, have them see your Snapchat is for them to add you back, for them to unblock you. So that is pretty much the main thing you can do in this specific case. As you can see, if you go to your friends list, you can see I only have one friend, which is my other fake Snapchat account. Now, if for some reason they do add you back and is still saying pending, well, you may want to go ahead and update your Snapchat, and you may want to make sure that you didn't have them blocked. So you want to go ahead and make your way over to your app store. You want to click on the search bar, you want to click up here, and you want to type in Snapchat. So go and type in Snapchat like this. You want to go and click on Snapchat up here, and you want to go ahead and update your Snapchat account. Now, if your Snapchat is already up to date, then you're probably good to go. But if your Snapchat is not, then you may want to go ahead and update to it, because there's probably some issues going on in the back end, and you will probably have to update your Snapchat account in order to actually fix those issues. So that's pretty much the main way to go ahead and fix a pending Snapchat. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.